May sarili ako rendition eh.
Sige lang, sige lang.
You're the one, babe, for a moment in time. And it's the that you would always be mine. I wanna be free, so I'm letting you fly.
Wow, magaling na siya mag-falsetto.
Ano ba ito? You will always be a part of me. I'm part of you, definitely. Boy, you can't escape me. Oh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby. And linger on. I get with the feeling strong. No, ang hirap, hindi ko alam yung lyric. You'll always be my baby.
Wow, galing.